Hello everyone, welcome back to another course video. Today you will be learning how to select individual slash specific characters from a string and use them. Today's video will be very fun and interesting. You will learn more cool features of strings. What you will learn today is very important and it will be very useful in future course videos. You will learn how to slice and dice strings in the next video. Earlier in the videos, you discovered that strings are made up of individual characters. They are, in fact, just like beads on a necklace, with each bead being an individual element of the whole necklace. Similarly, each individual character is an individual element of the whole string. Python makes it possible to access individual characters in a string. This is an important feature because you can use it to create new strings that contain only part of the original. In addition, you can combine strings to create new results. The secret to this feature is the square bracket. You place a square bracket with a number in it after the name of the variable. Here is an example. So you start by saying print, then the name of the variable, which is string in this case, the square brackets, and inside the number. So I typed 0. In this case, the output of the code is the letter H. Python strings are 0 based, which means they start with the number 0 and proceed from there. For example, if you were to type 1 here, the output would be E. You can also obtain a range of characters from a string. You simply provide the beginning and ending letter count separated by a colon in the square brackets. For example, if you want to print this much part of the string, the starting index number would be 3, the ending index number would be 8. You might be thinking the number should be 7. No, because if you want to print this O, as you see, you have to add 1 to the ending index number. So 7 plus 1 is 8. Python will print letters up to the ending number. It will not include the letter associated with the index number, which is 8 in this case. So Python will not print the letter R. You do this every time. So we just say this, and now if we run the code, we get the expected results. I will show you more cool things you can do with this. Let's say you want to print this word hello. You should already know that to accomplish this task, you will have to say something like this. But I can remove this 0 because we don't need it since we are printing the characters from the very beginning of the string. This can be done vice versa, meaning you can do this. So this will print rest of the string. You will better understand when I run the code. Also, the reason I used 6 here is Python will also include the spaces between the words also have an index number. I will run the code now. As you see, we get the desired results. The next thing I will show you is a Python feature called repetition. You use repetition to make a number of copies of a string or a substring. To do this, we use the multiplication sign. So, if I want the word hello to print 5 times, I can say something like this. And now, if we run the code, we get this result. But there is no space between each word. There isn't a perfect solution, but we can do something like this. And now if we run the code, we get spaces between each word. The last thing that I will show you is how to combine two substrings. In this case, I want to combine the word hello from string 1 to the word Python from string 2. To achieve this, plus sign can be used. The use of a plus sign to combine two strings is called concatenation. This plus sign is one of the handier operators to remember when you are working with strings. First, we will create a new variable. Then we will say string 1 square brackets colon 5 plus, then we need space between the words, so we will do this, plus string 2 square brackets colon 6. Next we will just print the variable, and now we will run the code, and as you see we get the expected results.